students, this is your continued class of Fun with Magnets. Okay, so in this portion I will describe about attraction and repulsion between magnets, and another thing, that is what are the precautions we should take for proper caring of magnet. Okay, what are the precaution, or what are the preventive measures we should take for magnet. Okay, so let's start for the attraction and repulsion between the magnets. That is also another subtopic, that is attraction and repulsion between the magnets. Okay, as we know that magnet is bipolar, and south pole and north pole, these are the two poles, and the south pole and north pole, they are attracted to each other, but the same pole will repel each other. Okay, so we can say that like poles repel each other while unlike poles attract each other. If we want to draw a picture of a magnet that is south north, in another country another magnet that is having south north, then these two magnets will attract each other. Okay, attract each other, as north pole and south poles, they are opposite, so they will attract each other. Okay, next, this is a figure where you can see this is north pole, this is south pole, and another magnet with north pole and south pole. These will also attract now, as they are opposite pole. Next point, north pole, south pole, and here south pole, north pole in another magnet, then they will always repel as the pole are same. Okay, and also in case of when a magnet with south and north pole and another magnet also here north pole and south pole, then north pole, that will repel each other. Okay, so here we have seen the attraction and repulsion between the magnet's pole. Okay, so I hope you understood this point, whatever I have written in the board, what are the different cases. Okay, now comes to a precaution or the cautions. Okay, for magnets, a few cautions that is in your book, page number 13.15, that is figure 13.15. A few cautions, that is magnets lose their property if they are heated, hammered, or dropped from some height, isn't it, students? Okay, write in your chat box. Okay, you understood that when magnets lose their property when they are heated, hammered, or dropped from some height, isn't it? Next, also magnets become very weak if they are not stored properly. Okay, and to keep them safe, barred magnets should be kept in pairs with their unlike poles on the same side, and you can see the picture also, picture 13.16, store your magnets safely. Okay, and they must be separated by a piece of wood, while two pieces of soft iron should be placed across their ends. Okay, so such precautions should be taken by us for carrying magnets. Now for horseshoe magnet, you have seen what is the shape of horseshoe magnet, and one should keep a piece of iron across the poles. Okay, keep magnets away from the cassettes, mobiles, television, music system, CD, that is compact disc, and the computer. Okay, so these are the preventive measures for magnets. Okay, so we should be very careful by keeping these magnets in such ways. Okay, so here we have seen many things. Now I can write one thing, that so reason, what are the reason for loss of magnetic property? So what are the reasons? First cause, that is heating. Okay, second is hammering it for long time or heating, then dropping, another improper storage. So these are the main causes so that magnets lose their magnetism. Okay, I hope you understood this. Here we have finished the chapter with all the subtopics in this chapter. Okay, in the next class we will discuss the question answer, exercise question answers along with some extra question. Okay students, so enjoy your puja vacation. Goodbye, see you soon after puja vacation. Thank you.